Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Galvanic cells can be tricky, but we can solve this chemistry problem fast by looking at how ions move through a circuit to create voltage. A standard galvanic cell requires a complete circuit to function properly. This means we need a path for electrons to flow and a way for ions to move between solutions. The salt bridge allows ions to migrate, which balances the charge as the reaction proceeds. Without this ion flow, the electrical circuit is broken and the chemical reaction will stop. Silver wire conducts electrons but not ions. Therefore, the circuit remains open and the measured voltage drops to exactly 0. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for option B.